Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Verizon 5G home internet not turning on or working. So here's a guide for power, brick, and reset. Step 1. Check the power connection. Make sure the power adapter is securely plugged into the gateway and the wall outlet. Try a different electrical outlet. Confirm you are using the original Verizon power adapter. Fix 2. Restart the gateway. You need to unplug the gateway from the power outlet, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for it to fully start up and reconnect to the Verizon network. Fix 3. Check the status light. Solid white or the normal operating color for your model, the gateway is working properly. Blinking light, the gateway is starting up or trying to connect. Red or no light, there may be a power, hardware, or network issue. Fix 4. Improve the signal. If the gateway turns out on but has no internet, place it near a window. Keep it away from thick walls, metal objects, and large electronics. Move it to a higher location if possible for a stronger 5G signal. Fix 4. Check for a Verizon outage. Check the My Verizon app or Verizon's outage page. If there's an outage, wait until service is restored. Fix 6. Inspect the gateway. Make sure the gateway isn't overheating. Remove any objects blocking the ventilation openings. If the device appears damaged or won't power on at all, it may need to be replaced. Fix 7. Factory reset the gateway. Locate the reset button, press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for the gateway to restart and set it up again if prompted. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also don't hit the subscribe button.